Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to make dal fry, Indian dal fry in instant pot. It's an easy recipe and only few ingredients. We'll start the process. First you set the instant pot in saute mode. We have half a cup of tur dal, half a cup of chopped onion. You need to chop the onion very finely for dal fry, and it needs to be fried very well. We have mustard seeds, half teaspoon, cumin seed, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, finely chopped ginger, and we are going to chop 2 green chilies, 3-4 curry leaves, and a bunch of coriander. We can add the oil in the instant pot. We are using canola oil. You can use any vegetable oil, sunflower oil. This is for seasoning and frying onions. When the oil is getting hot, we can chop the green chili. You have to chop the green chili, coriander, cilantro, and curry leaves very finely. This will be cooked along with the dal. You will not be able to take it out. We are going to chop that fine. That adds taste. This will be fried very well, and this will be cooked with the dal in the instant pot. So we are going to chop curry leaves finely, same like this, and coriander also. We have finely chopped curry leaves and green chili. Now the oil is hot. We are going to add one by one. First, add mustard seeds, then cumin seed, in 30 seconds add green chili, curry leaves, let it cook for a minute, around another 30 seconds. Then we can add chopped onions. The mustard seed needs to be cooked. As you see, the green chili and curry leaves are chopped very finely. This will be cooked and it goes very well with dal. Now we add the finely chopped onion. So this takes 4-5 minutes to cook. For dal fry, the onion needs to be cooked very well. It should be brownish. We can add little bit of salt when onion is getting sauteed. This makes the process faster. So like add few grains. Yes. Then we can add chopped ginger. Once this is cooked, let it cook for 4-5 minutes. The onion is fried. As you see, it's brownish. The secret of tasty dal fry is fried onion. It has to be fried very well. Now the onion is fried. We are going to add chopped ginger and chopped cilantro. All onion, green chili, cilantro, everything needs to be chopped very finely. This is going to be cooked for like 30 seconds. Then we add turmeric, half a teaspoon. Now we can add the tur dal. Totally we cooked for 10 minutes from the time we added the oil. It takes 10 minutes to cook the onion very well. That adds the taste. The onion needs to be cooked very well. Let it cook for another 30 seconds. We should not add salt while cooking dal. It will take more time to cook. So we will add the salt later on. So we are going to add half a cup of tur dal, to the fried mixture, mix it well. Just fry it for a minute with the dal to incorporate all the flavors together. We have half a cup of tur dal, so we are going to add 3 times 1.5 cup of water to cook this. We are going to pressure cook this, so we are adding 1.5 cup of water. Once it's cooked, if you need more water, you can add it when you add salt. Now we are going to pressure cook it for 10 minutes. Set the mode to pressure cook, defaults to 10 minutes. That's it. In 10 minutes, dal fry would be ready. It's cooked. Since we pressure cooked, we left it for 10-12 minutes. Now the pressure is gone. We are going to open it. Dal fry is ready. You can add little more water. It's very thick. You can add now, and with this what we are going to add is 1 pinch of asafoetida hing. This is not a must. If you have it, add it. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. This elevates the taste. And half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of salt, depending upon your taste. We can add little more water, and we can cook it for a few more minutes. Open with the lid open. Here you go, yummy dal fry. As you see, cilantro, green chili, everything is cooked with dal fry. Cooked in instant pot. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.